What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Kelmis Rocco Johnson. Losing sunlight right now, but this shouldn't take long. I'm here again with another how-to video, and today I'm going to show you how to put on a strut tower bar for the Scion FRS, Subaru BRZ, Toyota GT86, whatever you have. This is the Megan Racing strut tower bar that I bought off of a friend of mine, and yeah, this should be easy. So let's get to it. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Only thing you need for this is just a 12mm socket, and you're going to be undoing, let me actually take the camera off. The bolts you're going to be undoing are the three here and the one right here, or this one. It's one of these two. Well, you'll see of course while I'm doing it, and you'll be doing that on both sides. I'm gonna go over here and start on the passenger side. Be sure to save these, definitely. You don't want to lose them, or mix them up. That was close. That was almost bad news bears. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the strut tower bar on. Right on. Actually, I'll do this one. And then you pretty much just do exactly what you just did. I can tell you this right now, the one in the back corner here is gonna be a little hard to get to if you're using the Megan Racing strut tower bar. I don't know if all of them, you know, follow the same design, but it's kind of a weird angle to get back there. I'm gonna have to figure out a creative way to get back there because I have no clue. Mm-hmm.
What, as you're fixing something?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, my YouTube is right there on the side of the car.
That's cool.
See ya. That was obviously my neighbor just now. And I'm not gonna edit that out because I honestly don't feel like it. Alright, so you can probably just take, you know, another wrench, well, a different kind of wrench or something like that, and go back there, because I personally can't get it with this socket. But that is it. I like the way it looks and everything, and it's very, you know, rigid and sturdy. It's not going anywhere. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just a real quick how-to video. Even though it seems pretty self-explanatory, I just figured I'd make a how to put a strut tower bar in. So I thought that was gonna be it, but then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take out this sound tube. I didn't take it out when I got there installed, but I'm just gonna go ahead and take out this little stupid sound tube, thing. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do real quick. I have no clue what socket you need yet. It's probably gonna be a 10 mil or a 12. But yeah, let's see. There we go. I'll zoom in right there. And it's an 11. Oh, wow, it's really on there.
Oh man, we can video your work.
Yeah.
You put it on YouTube?
Yep.
You don't want to fix it?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, check
no.
me out.
Huh?
I said go ahead, check me out. Got my YouTube right there on the side.
Oh, that's you right there?
Yeah.
Okay. I know that's right. Oh man, ain't nothing wrong with that. Thing, man.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, here we go. That was actually really hard to take off. It was really on there. Ah, with the strut towel bar right here, it's an awkward position. If you have WD-40 sprayed on there. There we go. Okay, once that's off, looks like the rest of these pieces, they just snap on. So I know I'm losing light, but next thing to do is to just unsnap these little pieces. Only other thing you do, you literally just pull this sound tube over here. I'm losing light. Let me actually pick this up and get my flashlight on it. Any moment now. Okay, here we go. Alright, sorry about that other camera angle. But this is literally just right down in here. You just pull that out, it just comes right out. Unsnap that. And then that just leaves this one right here. And then the sound tube's out. Here we go. Got it. Okay. And that's it. The sound tube is out. And that's cleaned up my engine bay a lot. Hope you guys like the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. There's an annotation here or somewhere to subscribe to my channel. And as always, have a good day, stay classy, and stay positive.